Good morning.
Yeah, it's 2406.
No, 24.
06.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
It's stopped. Sweet.
What's inside? It's steamed, right?
I don't like that much.
Let me
Try
try
it.
it.
I think it is ube.
Interesting.
Last beach day in Da Nang.
I'm so sad. Like, I'm already sad about the evening. I love it so much. The beach was so nice. The infinity pool is closed.
But this is, even still, this is the last beach day. What are you getting?
I'm thinking water and orange juice.
What, for you?
Yeah, and orange juice for you. I kind of want another coconut, but now you said it's not good.
It's not good to have too much. Ask her.
Hello. How much for one orange juice? Orange. How much? 40. Okay, can we get 2 orange juice and 1 water?
One coconut and one full water.
Okay, 60. 60.
Mm-hmm.
2 oranges, yeah.
Cái đây là một dừa một suối đúng không?
À, một chú 60.
Hai ly cam với lại một cái suối.
Hello, very. One water, 20.
Hot.
Come on.
I love it.
It's alright.
It's too hot for you.
No.
You're in the shade anyway, and in the sea.
What?
So it can't be too hot for you.
It's not too hot for me. Check it, film.
Man, I've made a friend in the sea.
Oh yeah, I forgot about
Explain
it.
about a friend.
Huh?
Explain about your friend.
We just crashed into each other, and then I said sorry. He said sorry, and then he said, "Where are you from?" I said England, and then he said London. I said yeah, and he said Central Sea. I said yeah. Then I didn't ask him where he was from because I didn't care.
That's so rude. I'm gonna find him and ask him.
Well,
What
he's over
accent?
there.
What accent did he have?
He was like some Asian, like Chinese, Vietnamese.
Oh, okay.
Not Vietnamese, I don't think. Thanks.
There's your AJ.
Keep your head down. Last beach day done. Did you get all the tanning you needed to do?
No, I have 1 day left with me. One
Tomorrow.
full day.
Full day. If the pool's open then you'll be lucky.
So one of the pools. Otherwise I'm lying on the grass.
Yeah. No, they have the beach at the hotel
Oh
too.
yeah. No, but pool days for I think.
Yeah, fine.
We're like half.
Alright. On our
Banh mi
way
time.
to get banh mi. Final banh mi.
Are you hungry?
Not really, are you?
We'll get them in Hanoi. I'm actually not hungry, but I
Do you want
will
to just
eat.
get a takeaway to take to the room then? Back to the hotel.
Yeah? We need to go and get water.
Yeah, hopefully
That
there's a
shop.
water somewhere. We'd have to go to that exact shop, but
Yeah,
fine.
true. But a pack of
They told us something.
6 would be good though.
We'll see. We only need it for one more day. That's too much.
No, Thursday morning as well.
Yeah, that's not going to need a whole bottle.
And tonight.
Yeah, we only need
sweet. Need a big bottle tonight.
Okay, fine. Here, it's in here. Abby wanted a coffee, well, salted coffee, so we're here. Get salted cream coffee. Let's go. These places are quite nice, actually. It's huge.
I'm here to work.
Yeah,
That's probably what it's called log in.
yeah, probably.
They're logging in.
Oh, it's in this way.
So nice.
Come on. Abby. Hi, Abby. Abby. Vlog. Hi.
They've got the crazy one. It's huge one. Should go make content.
Hi, Xinjiao. Can we get 2 salt coffees, please?
2 shots coffee?
Yeah.
For here or take away?
We'll have it here.
Yeah.
Here, please.
Here, please. 2 soft cream coffee, 80,000.
Yeah. Do you want to pay by card?
Can we pay by card? Yeah.
Yeah, I do that.
Sit here. Oh, you don't Teams call.
That could be you. Oh, it is a weekday.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, this was such a good idea. Wait, I love these glasses. Where can we buy these? This one doesn't look as strong. The one we had in the hotel the other day was crazy.
Oh, it tastes so good.
It's so good. Try it.
Oh well.
It's so thick. Probably the best coffee I've had.
Well, it's nice and hot outside.
Actually, the first egg coffee was very good too.
Alright, back to our banh mi hunt.
Yeah, let's
Off
not
we
get
go.
sidetracked
Yeah.
again. I actually really want this. But it literally, when you said it tasted like Werther's, it's exactly like
Yeah, we need to
that.
cross again. We've arrived. Do you think they're fin? Oh, they have some. No, that's just a portion of pork, I think. Where do we order from? Oh, here. Hi, two bun.
Everything?
Everything, yeah. So they roast the pork here in these tundras. They roast it here. That's the pork that they use for the banh mis. These are the tundras that they roast the pork in.
It's gonna be good. I hope.
what we have to eat. Let's sit and eat.
I can't believe you have no insect bites. I literally, a new one keeps appearing every 2 minutes. And I use the pen. Oh, this is promising. I feel like you should get a portion.
We'll have it first. Alright, taste test.
Oh, starting out me.
The pork's so crispy.
So far so good. Oh, really crispy.
I like it. I like it, it's crispy.
Spicy. I wasn't expecting that.
So basically we went to a shop to buy water, and at the till we saw this. It's like a banana cake, and the cashier was like, you guys have to try it, so we basically bought it. So we'll see, we'll do a taste test and see.
Doug. Okay.
It looks, oh. Should I half it?
Oh, it's spongy. Really spongy.
Oh, it's got banana in the middle.
Oh, I don't know how I feel about that.
Okay, I'll just take a bite and see.
Why is it brown?
Because it's banana-y. I'm gonna take a bite.
Okay, me too.
3, 2, 1. It's not bad.
I like it.
It's really soft.
This is so soft. I like the sponge.
It's got custard in it as well.
I think your half had the custard.
Oh. No, both of it should have.
I don't like the banana though.
Yeah.
Like the actual banana inside. But I don't like bananas here. For some reason.
That was good. I like the cake bit. It's like bready, not cakey.
It's a bready cake.
Anyway, let's head out for dinner. That's a good snack.
7 out of 10.
What's the plan for tonight?
Well, someone's sick of authentic Vietnamese food.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get, he asked for white food. So we're getting pizza. But there's actually a place that has like, there's 2 branches, but they each have like 8,000 reviews. And it's like all over TikTok. And it's, I think, quite spenny, or it's UK prices, so it's spenny for here. And it's like, it's called Pizza 4 Ps. But I saw a TikTok where someone got half, you can do half and half.
Yeah.
So she got like half tandoori chicken and half something else. It was literally really good. So
Well, hopefully they let us in because we haven't got a booking or anything.
yeah, they have 2 branches. It looks like they're walking distance apart though.
Okay, fine.
We got good pictures apart from this one.
What's your plan for after?
Oh yeah, we need to get our nails done. Because these are my wedding nails. Look. I don't know how that happened to both of these, but I need to get them fixed. I might go short.
Okay, fine. Do what you want, really.
I'm gonna get flowers.
Okay.
What are you gonna get?
Nothing, just get them cut.
You've been begging me to get
Yeah, because they're so long. I hate my nails when they're long.
I wanted to wait until like the last day.
Yeah, just do it twice.
Oh, I can get behind
Depends
that.
on how much it is.
Yeah, it depends on how much they grow the next week.
Yeah.
I need pedicures too. But pedicures can wait.
Yeah, that could be.
Because it takes a while. Like my nails take a good hour.
Yeah, so.
So pedicures will be longer.
Yeah, we've got enough to do.
Yeah, that's true. I kind of want a McDonald's ice cream.
I'd rather get something from this place.
Oh, what, does that from...
Yeah.
I haven't looked at the menu.
It's like tiramisu. It's just a standard Italian.
Italian. Damn, you really miss UK food, huh?
I don't mind.
I love Vietnamese food.
Anyway, we'll see that. Alright, we've arrived, but we have no booking, so, and I can see the waiting just, oh, cute.
Okay, but they only had counted because we don't have a reservation.
So we're sitting at the bar.
We have a QR.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
And we have a paper.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
I might look on the QR code. Thank you very much. So yeah, we got let in, but because we don't have a reservation, we're stuck to the downstairs and we're sitting at the bar, which is alright.
I don't mind it though.
Yeah, I don't mind it too, kind of.
There are
But
other people at the bar also,
Yeah.
so I think they're in the same boat.
it's less atmosphere, I guess. But oh well. I'm gonna get pizza. I don't.
The place is literally called.
No, but they have pasta too. They have pasta too.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly.
I want to look at the dessert.
No, can we
Wait,
just
are we
order?
getting our
Please?
own pizza?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm gonna do half and half.
Okay.
Well, look at that.
Okay,
What are we
so we've
thinking?
made our
10 minutes?
order. So we've got 2 pizzas, 2 pieces of chicken.
I've got half and half.
Maybe no, that's still cheaper. And then 2 juices.
Yeah, mine is still cheaper than yours.
And the total is 797,000.
What is that? Oh.
It's all right, but it's,
Wait. That, in my head, I was like, that's like £70. Wait,
what do you
that's
want more
not
than?
bad.
What else did you get there?
No, I think we've ordered enough.
Unless you want like another starter, burrata or something. But huh?
I just feel like we're gonna order too
Yeah,
much. Like,
let's
we've
just-
ordered too much every
Let's just
single
get this
day.
and see how it is.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Oh,
Alright.
we can get pudding.
Yeah, we'll get dessert then.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Place the order.
Pudding, which I'm gonna look at now.
I already know what I want.
What? Tiramisu.
No, there's like chocolate fondue. I don't think it's in this. Oh, it's here.
Oh yeah, it is.
Chocolate cake. The ice cream. Or the tiramisu. It's one or the other.
I'm gonna get the tiramisu.
There are some like Vietnamese stuff, but I don't know if you want to try it out.
We get that every day.
True.
I'm still thinking about the banh mi.
Oh, I forgot about that
was
already.
So good.
We could get that tomorrow.
And yesterday's pork.
We could get that tomorrow.
I literally woke up thinking about yesterday's pork.
What the hell? That's so
The
weird.
crackling on the banh mi.
Fresh juice came. Orange juice and pineapple. Cheers.
They
Hopefully it
always
tastes
ask when you get orange juice if you want sugar in it.
sweet enough.
So you're sweet enough. Oh my god. You literally, 2 minutes ago, you just told me to shut up.
Yeah, because I was listening to a conversation.
Because you wanted to hear the people next to us talk.
No, whenever.
You're not sweet.
Whenever I worked in Costa, like, I always say, do you need sugar? Like, so many people have said that.
I'm sweet enough.
Yeah, so I
What did you say? I will.
No, I just think all the. Anyway, so I just wanted to try it out
If
myself.
you were really sweet, you'd be like, I know.
No. It is so sweet though.
It is sweet. The orange isn't green here.
Try this.
They even put a leaf on mine.
Oh yeah, that tastes so good.
It's so good. Basically, they said it's a half an hour wait for pizza, so they brought us free salads, which I think is so cute. But what did you say?
It's just a bunch of leaves.
But I think it's cute. They put look at our free salad.
Fried chicken came.
Fried chicken.
You didn't want this, but let's see how it goes.
Still
It's Korean fried
What's
chicken.
that?
Spicy Korean fried chicken.
Is that kimchi? Okay then.
I don't know, but
Is it not nice?
I don't like it that much.
Okay, fine. I think it's gonna fall there. You put it in the tissues. It looks so hot. How is it?
Good. What do you think? What are your thoughts? ordered.
I think
all day.
it's mid.
Yeah, I think it's mid too.
Yeah.
Oh well, at least we tried it.
Yeah.
I just needed a start.
It was nice. Like it's very crispy.
Yeah.
The texture was perfect. But I think it needed like, I think the batter needs more
salt.
salt.
Yeah, they don't put a lot of salt in this country.
No.
Just salt
But
here.
they
Put it on.
usually give you like a pot of soy sauce, which I think is supposed to be the salt. They give you honey here, which is interesting.
Do you want some
I might
honey on
try a
top?
bit of
Yeah.
honey in it, or in the sauce maybe.
No, put it on top. Like on a tiny bit and then buy it.
I'm gonna put it on the batter. They give you chili oil, but yeah, I think the batter needs more salt. I'd give that like a 4 out of 10. Like it didn't offend me. Maybe 5 out of 10.
give
That's
it a
harsh.
Sorry.
Yeah, that was bad.
Really?
Bad idea.
Alright, but yeah, we'll see what the mains come. Hopefully they're better.
I'll leave it here. They'll take
Alright, my pizza came. Let's see how it looks. That looks so good.
That was less than half an hour, I think.
Got chorizo, parma ham, and mushrooms and mozzarella. And we have honey here and chili oil as a topping if we want to put it on.
Also, the chicken was better with the kimchi. I now give it like a 7 out of 10. That was harsh.
My plate. There's Avi's plate.
So full.
She's got so much left. Yeah, because she ordered a kebab shop pizza in a nice pizza place. She literally got desserts. What are we getting?
Pudding. Oh wait, there's different ones. Oh no.
Oh, they don't have the tiramisu on there.
Wait, isn't it? No.
Now what? Should we leave the dessert then?
Go back to NHR because what the hell?
What's that rich Vietnamese kind of house? Go on.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh shit, let me record that shit.
What was that?
Time lapse. Arrived at the nail spa. Have you seen the prices? Is it closed or open? Thank you. Hi. Huh?
This is the last time at Contra.
We might be able to go tomorrow. But yesterday we said this.
Yesterday we said it was the last time.
We might go tomorrow, I don't know. But we're back at the market, we'll see how it is. See if we can find
Do you
any
need anything?
sliders for you that aren't Primark sliders. And a phone case, check how much a phone case is. And then yeah, if we just see random things, if it's a good deal, we'll get it. If not, we'll leave it. Back at the hotel and you got yourself 2 things.
Oh yeah, I got a phone case and a top, which could be hit or miss. We'll see. But you can't try things on.
Yeah, they wouldn't let you.
But actually, what did she say the price was? Like,
280.
and then I was like, no, I saw it for 120. And then she was like, okay, fine.
Yeah, I think she just wanted the sale.
Yeah, that was the biggest price drop ever though.
But it just shows how much of a margin they leave.
They actually look at you and they go, what do I think I can charge?
Yeah, that's why I took
Because
my
I've
watch
seen
off
them
too.
like eye you up.
Yeah.
Like someone looked at my rings once.
Oh, really?
And I think marked it up for that.
Oh well.